Hello friends. So we have yes no questions. The past perfect tense, as you know, I told you, if you have got two parts for the verb, then it becomes a verb phrase. Take the first part and put it in the front of the sentence, or start the sentence with the first part of the verb. Alright. So let's see. Very simple for you. Yes. They had gone home. Yes or no question? Had they gone home? Alright? Simple. Had they gone home? We had done it. Had you done it? We will become who? You. It had rained. Had it rained? It is very simple, but it's better to do. I thought I could skip this exercise, but still I thought, already you will have the exercise, because if you have got any problem, so somebody has got some doubt and so on, it can be clear. Understand? Yes. And then boys had taken food. Had the boys taken food? Had the boys taken food? He had left a note. Had he left a note? The girls had sung songs. Had the girls sung songs? So you can see now very clearly. See, they had they had, we had you, it had it. So like that. So this, yes. Now we have nomads had lived. Had nomads. Had nomads. Nomads means those people who wander here and there. They people who don't settle, but they move from one place to another. Had nomads lived here. Okay? And next symbol, he had written 5 novels. Had he written 5 novels? Symbol for you. They had seen the exhibition. Had they seen the exhibition? Sentence. Had they seen the exhibition? We had met him. Had you met him? Had you met him? And next one, the angels had kissed them. Had the angels kissed them? Had the angels kissed them? They had sold all the books. Had they sold all the books? And next one, they had finished everything. Had they finished? Had they finished everything? Had they finished everything? And then I had been to the caves. Had you been to the caves? So it's very simple, and also definitely this should go deep in your mind. Yes or no questions are formed like this. When you have got a single verb tenses, you know what you have to do. You have to make them double. So for example, for present simple present, you have to insert do, and simple past also you have to do. You have to insert do, but add ed, then it becomes did. I think these things we have already done. There are only 2 tenses that remain unmarried. That means single word, bachelor tenses. They are simple present and the simple past. They are called simple because there is no aspect. Say, there are aspects like this in English. Aspect means how the action takes place, or how the action goes. For example, you have got perfect action, perfect aspect, and the progressive aspect. Progressive is continuing. Action continues now. He is going. And past, then he was going. And perfect is they have gone. They had gone past. And perfect and progressive together you have got a he has been going. They had been going. Isn't it simple? Very simple. And now this one also you can see. So English you cannot do. If you have got a, suppose if you are unmarried tense, that is if you are a bachelor tense, you cannot do anything with that. You have to split it, no doubt about it. And that splitting, or you can call it splitting, you can call it insertion of do. Or by any way, there should be two parts. Only then you can shift one part to the front of the sentence and make a question. So question making is very simple in English. You all have what you have to do is just move the place. Subject, verb, subject. That's all. Modern terminology we say NB, VP, VP, NB. NB, VP, VP, NB. That will be the question. Clear? Fine? Okay. Very good. So, see you again.